Starting a college essay can feel daunting, but a clear approach can ease the process. Begin by carefully reading the prompt and understanding what is being asked. Take time to brainstorm ideas, reflecting on your personal experiences, perspectives, or knowledge related to the topic. Jot down key themes or anecdotes that resonate with you. Once you have your ideas, consider crafting a strong opening sentence that captures attention. A compelling hook can be an intriguing question, a powerful quote, or a vivid description that sets the tone for your essay. This initial sentence should engage the reader and encourage them to continue. After your hook, provide some context for your topic. This background information should smoothly lead into your thesis statement, which outlines the main argument or point of your essay. Your thesis serves as a roadmap for your readers, guiding them through your ideas. As you develop your introduction, aim for clarity and conciseness. Keep in mind that the introduction should not be overly long. It should succinctly present your main points and create anticipation for the body of the essay. Once your introduction is polished, you can move on to drafting the body paragraphs, which will elaborate on your thesis with supporting evidence and examples. With a well-structured introduction, you'll lay a solid foundation for a compelling college essay.